The ability to flare tubing right in your own workshop is invaluable for jobs such as custom brake lines or gas fittings. The Toledo Double Lap Flaring Kit contains everything you need to do just that. This tool will craft single or double lap flares on copper, brass, mild steel and aluminium tubing. With a metric die block and flaring adapters, it works with 4.75, 5, 6, 8 and 10 mm tubing, which can be cut to length with the included mini tube cutter. Using the mini tube cutter to start your project will ensure a clean, straight cut with no burrs. Making the cut is simple. Loosen off the cutter until it fits over the tube and tighten it up again. Spin the cutter around the tube a couple of times, then tighten the wheel some more, and repeat this until it's all the way through. Hold the die block steady in a vise if necessary. Ensuring the tube is also steady, slip the end of the tube through the appropriate hole in the die block. Be sure to leave enough protruding through the die block to create the flare. Now, tighten down the wing nuts firmly but not so hard as to crush the tube. For a single flare, slip the yoke over the die block and position the cone in the middle of the tube. Then just tighten the yoke down and the cone will flare open the end of the tube for a perfect single flare. For a double flare, select the correct flaring adapter for your tube. The button should fit snugly inside the tube. Tighten the wing nuts on the die block as before. The end of the tube should protrude the same height as the shoulder on the adapter you're using. Place the adapter onto the tube with the button facing down and tighten the yoke against it until the adapter crushes flat to the die block. Finish off your double flare by removing the adapter and operating the yoke as you would for a single flare to open up the end of the tube. Save yourself the running around and create your own professional flared tubing on the spot with the Toledo Double Lap Flaring Kit.